Making big decisions before you know if it's worth it is exactly where I am right now. I'm Kay, a corporate scientist building a jewelry brand, and one of my biggest inventory orders just arrived. Spend the day with me as I unpack and prepare for my 1-year anniversary. Good morning. We have had such a nice morning and it's been a pretty busy one, so I don't have too much time to catch up because we are running a little bit tight on time, but we have done all the things this morning and I just feel like it's going to be such a good day. We're getting very close to celebrating my 1-year anniversary for my jewelry brand called Hyphen Mood. So I am just have all the feels about it. So we'll talk more about it later. Now that I've had almost 1 full year in business, I'm a little bit more familiar about some of the things that I actually need to be preparing for. I'm thinking about the fall. I'm thinking about the holiday season. The way that time and seasons move is just crazy for a small business. So we're going to try to stay on top of all of those things. We're going to catch up a whole lot after work. So let's have a really good day. Our work day. We've had a really good day. It was super full, super busy, but it was a good one. And we also made it to the post office just in time to pick up inventory. I actually got a notification that I had some shipments ready. So I'm super excited about that. And I've actually been waiting on this shipment for a while. This is also one of the biggest inventory orders I have placed in a very long time. And it's kind of crazy to think about because every time you get like a big stock, you're just like, am I going to sell this stuff? It's low-key terrifying, but some of this is actually going to be restocks because we've had back-to-back market and pop-ups, and so our inventory is getting pretty low, especially since we've had an uptick of online orders. And I also think there's going to be some new pieces in here that I am so excited to see and show you guys. So we are going to head straight home. We're going to jump right into unpacking all of this stuff because I know if I take a break, the night will be over. So I'm not going to stop. I'm just going to push through, unpack everything and see what we've got. gosh, guys, there's so much inventory here. Oh, this is definitely one of my biggest inventory orders. So it's kind of scary when I think about having to actually sell all of this. It's so funny because it just has you second guessing every decision that you've made and why you made it, because you're like, oh my gosh, can I actually sell this stuff? And it's nerve-wracking. Okay, I think this is the last one. Oops, I almost threw one away. There's a little piece hiding. Okay, I think we have everything pretty much open. There are so many things that I do not remember ordering. The manufacturing time is about 2 to 8 weeks depending on the supplier. So when I place these orders and the time I get the orders, sometimes I can't even remember where my mind was, what my train of thought was. So we're about to find out. Looking at all this inventory at once is a little overwhelming, but I know that I ordered everything for a reason. It's actually really crazy because we are literally in the middle of summer and my mind is already going to how we're going to be prepping for the holidays and all of the things that are going to be leading up to the holidays, like the rest of my summer markets, pop-ups, my 1-year anniversary sale. So there's just so many things to consider, and even as I'm looking at things and it is overwhelming, I also think I'm gonna need to probably place a couple more inventory orders just to be ready for everything that I think is coming. The fall and the holiday season can ramp up really quickly, especially if I take on any unexpected pop-ups or markets. Even if something popped up like in the next couple of weeks, I would really be tight for inventory. So I just need to make sure that I'm on top of things. So let's do a little mini tour. I'm really excited to kind of break down what is in here. I'm just going to kind of look around and see, because there's some things that I honestly don't even remember ordering. And this one, as soon as I unpacked it, caught my eye. So this is an absolutely gorgeous bracelet. Just look at how the light reflects off of this. It is so sturdy. I don't know if you can hear that. This is a beautiful bracelet. It looks even better in person. Did you hear that clasp? The hardware is really, really nice. All of the hinges are really sturdy. It has a nice clasp. There's some weight to it as well. Oh my goodness. This looks so good. The bracelet stacks that I see in the future are just next level. So this is a new sample that I'm actually going to be vetting. I'm going to kind of put it through all of my quality tests and to make sure that it meets my standards. So I cannot wait to wear this and test it out. So if you see this bracelet on the website, you will know that it passed all of my quality tests. And actually that's for all of the jewelry that I sell. I literally go through a very rigorous process. I literally have a little spreadsheet of all the things that I'm looking for and all the different things that I test to make sure that all of the jewelry is durable. So we're about to put this through the ringer and we will see if it holds up. I think I'm actually gonna just leave it on because it just looks so cute. So the next one that I will show you is actually an earring that I have already vetted and I put in a full order already. And these earrings, I already know. I've been wearing these for months now. So these are going to be in the next drop. So I'm just gonna try them on so you can see what they look like. Oh, they look so good. So I actually ordered these in 3 different sizes and also in silver and gold. So I cannot wait to add them to my next collection. And I have a feeling that these might be my next bestsellers. What else do we have here? So I will also show you the necklace that I thought I could identify in the packaging, and I was right. So this is our loop necklace. It is absolutely gorgeous, and the way that it layers, it is such a nice statement piece. I actually sold out of this at the pop-ups, so now we are all restocked. So a lot of these things are current inventory that's low. This is actually my best selling necklace. I think I'm wearing it now. Yep, this is my golden hour link necklace. Always have to keep inventory because this sells out and sells fast at my markets. This kind of caught my eye. So these are actually samples and I got them in both silver and gold. So let's see. Oh, interesting. I really like the way that they are moving. I can just see this styled so nicely with a simple white tee, jeans. Oh, it's cute. I actually like it like as a standalone piece, but I think it could actually layer really nicely too. And it has a nice extension on it. So you can kind of make it a little bit longer, a little bit shorter. So we will test this one out as well. So I think we've gone through all of the inventory for today, and I'm honestly losing light by the minute. And while it sounds crazy to be thinking about the holidays in the middle of the summer, this is actually when all of the planning starts. And honestly, I feel like I'm kind of behind just a little bit on a few things. But that's also why I was so excited about today's shipment. So now the planning really begins. So we have a lot ahead of us. Tomorrow, I need to actually sit and count all of this inventory. I need to make sure that everything that I ordered, I actually received and everything is accounted for. So tomorrow, we're going to be in the jewelry studio getting everything organized.